This one is really easy. There is two things that you need to do. Yourself is going to be, is you recording?
Yeah, sorry.
Okay. This is the side.
Okay.
The only thing you're going to do here is we're going to, for the self, do the hem. So we're going to do 2.5 inches. And again, this one you're going to really see the difference why we are folding it, because it has a shape. So you're going to fold it up like this. We're going to do a notch right here. So this is the actual hem of the jacket. And this would be the self. So for the lining, it's going to be identical. And by the way, when you have the hem, then you don't add seam allowance anymore because it's the hem. You would add seam allowance all the way around it, but not on the hem. For the lining, you're going to do the exact same piece, and you're going to extend that 1 inch. So 2.5 for self, 1 inch for lining. And you don't need the notches. And you will label it correctly.
Wait, can you repeat that? So you are.
The notches will be on the self, and you're adding 2.5 inches for the hem. And you're not going to add seam allowance here. Everywhere else,
So where the
but
notches
not here.
is the bottom of the
It's
jacket?
it's where it's going to fold up
Okay.
and create
Okay.
the bottom.
Alright.
Okay?
Yep.
The notches are to tell you where to fold it.
And for the lining, we add the same amount of seam allowance as for the self.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So before I move forward to the front, which is where we're going to be doing more things, you need to also get your fusible pattern pieces for here. Okay? Remember how we did on the cuff? We did 1/2 inch more than your lining, than your hem. So if this is 2.5 inches, we're gonna go up 3 inches. I'm gonna make it dotted so you guys can see. So the grain lines will be the same for all of them, okay? So let me see if I can. Your fusible will be from here to here to here to here. You can keep the notches. Your lining is going to be the whole piece up to the 1 inch extra. Does that help?
Yeah, a lot. And the self is the whole
Explain
thing.
everything.
And then yourself, it would be the whole thing. No seam allowance, hemline, the fusible, no seam allowance at all. Not on the sides, not on the top, not at the bottom. Okay?
And the lining has.
Make sure you put the notches, that way you don't keep flipping the pieces.
And the lining has.
Plus seam allowance,
Seam allowance.
on the bottom.
No, on the bottom, no.
Okay.
Okay?
Only
On the, all the way around it, but not on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay? All right.
And,
That's it.
thank you for that.